The more beneficial insects you can lure into your garden, the better. Some good bugs, like hoverflies, control pests without chemicals, while others, like bees, pollinate your crops. You might notice I've gone for a bit of a blue and purple colour theme because those are the colours that really bees and butterflies are attracted to. So if you're planting specifically to bring in beneficial insects, it's a good idea to start with blue and purple flowers. So this plant here is an echium, and it doesn't look like much as well, and it's kind of prickly, so just watch it when you're planting it. But by the middle of summer, this will be absolutely smothered in these big blue spires of flowers, and the bees just go crazy for it. It's kind of like, I don't know, like a bee hotel, you know, or a bee booze up, you know. They all swing on in and get tipsy on the sugar and the nectar. So it's a fantastic plant to have at the back of a veggie garden.